there, food friends. It's Kevin, and welcome to Cavalcade of Food. And today we are going to do a Cavalcade cocktail episode. You know, hard to believe, but it won't be long now, and we are going to be in the holiday season. Thanksgiving will be here in just a few weeks, and then of course we go right into the busy holidays and entertaining. And I hope that if you are able and so inclined, that everybody does some entertaining at home during the holidays. It really seems like we're getting away from having people over, and I think it's lovely to invite people into your home, whether it's for a dinner, a meal, a lunch, or even just cocktails and some hors d'oeuvres. We never serve cocktails without something to eat, but it is wonderful to have people in at your home, and I certainly will during the holidays, and I hope you all continue the wonderful tradition, which is fading a little bit, of home entertaining, especially during the holidays, or any time for that matter, but always looking for a fun holiday beverage, and sometimes it can be a punch bowl full of something. And this is something that I don't know if it's really adaptable to a punch bowl. I guess you could make a big quantity of this, but it's a fairly easy drink to make, and it's called a Rock Lobster. And I don't know what came first, the drink or the B-52 song by the same name. But either way, I actually found this recipe in a cookbook that I bought at a garage sale on a 3x5 card. Actually, here it is, written beautifully in ink. It looks like a fountain pen, actually. And I just thought, I have to try this because it has everything that I like in terms of liqueurs sort of together. So let's try it. So it calls for equal amounts. The recipe says 3/4 of a shot of Amaretto, Light Creme de Cacao. So this also comes in a dark version, and it's a chocolate flavored liqueur, but the recipe calls for the light version, which is what I've got. And then 3/4 of a shot of Irish cream. Okay, so here's our three basic ingredients, and what we're going to start with is we're going to let's put some ice in a rocks glass here and get this glass nice and chilled. And this is a drink, by the way, that is served on the rocks. Okay, so we're going to cool this glass down a little bit, and we'll start pouring our liqueurs here. Again, we're going to go 3/4 of a shot. So Amaretto, Light Creme de Cacao, and then Irish cream. And we're going to give that just a little stir around. Then, if you have some half and half, or even better, heavy cream, we're going to just drizzle a little bit on the top, and then sprinkle with a little ground cinnamon, just to sort of decorate the top. There we go. There it is, the Rock Lobster. Ooh, wow. This is delicious. Definitely an after-dinner dessert kind of a drink. But, oh my gosh, a lot of flavors going on. You've got the Albany Amaretto, you've got the the chocolate kind of creme de cacao, and then you've got the richness of the Irish cream, of course, which blends beautifully with, there's a layer of cream sort of floating on the top, and then you've got the sprinkle of cinnamon. Oh, that's nice. That is very nice. So, a wonderful drink to serve to your guests at your holiday party, or really any time after dinner. Would be great to bring a tray to the table or roll out a cart with these ingredients here and start putting these cocktails together for everybody. You can see how easy it was, and believe me, this is a drink I think everybody will enjoy. I better stop right now so I can finish this video. So, the recipe for the drink is below in the description, and I want to say thank you to whoever wrote this recipe down and stuck it in a cookbook that I bought. I just knew, when you see, sometimes you can read a recipe, whether it's for, a dinner dish or anything, and just know that you'll like it. Well, that's exactly how I felt when I found this. I knew I would like this drink, and I do. Ralph is going to absolutely love this drink. This is so him. So I'll make sure to fix him one during the holidays. I want to thank you for watching. The website, cavalcadefood.com, and if you go there, you can connect to everything else I've got going on, including my Cavalcade Radio Hour, which airs on Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time here in beautiful Sanilac County, Michigan. You can link to the Listen Live connection at my website, and I'll be playing holiday music for starting in the middle of December right through the end of the year. Great holiday music, too, from people we remember growing up. Sinatra, Peggy Lee, Dean Martin, Andy Williams, Ella Fitzgerald, Doris Day, all the Kate Smith. We're going to play all the great holiday classics that we grew up with. So tune in for that. Hope everyone is having a wonderful autumn. Again, I appreciate you watching. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you again soon back here on Cavalcade of Food. Bye for now.